Hello, it's round 2. We're opening the second box of the Capcom Figure Builders. Let's open this up. I'm excited. So these are like the newer generation flagship monsters. And hopefully, we'll get some for Wild soon.
We'll wait for the 40th anniversary one.
40th anniversary!
Playing one hunt for 20 more years.
I don't think my reactions are like my reactions will be the same. I don't think I'm gonna be that fast anymore when I'm playing. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the box first. Wow, this one is red. So this one is the volume 1. And this one is volume 2. It looks pretty cool, huh? Like the red is so vibrant. But you know, you're gonna open it up anyway. So I'm hoping we get somebody good for our first one. I got Gormagala on my first box. Trivia, Gormagala is like the first flagship monster I fought against. My first game was For You on the 3DS. If you could ask me what is my favorite monster, it's Gormagala. This figure looks pretty amazing, huh? Like, hold on, let me show you. So you have the main body here, but you have another wing. So it looks pretty massive. Oh, but this is not the enraged Gormagala though, because you don't have his purple horns coming out of his head. There you go. This is Gormagala. Look at that wingspan, guys. That's insane. So if you can't see at the details, look at the claws on the wings. That's the face. Holy shorts. Look at that greenish, bluish underwing and the side of the body. It's not as iridescent as Kushala, but there are parts that are kind of metallic. So it looks really, really good. Okay, who's this one? Velkhana. Please let it be Velkhana. No! Ooh, shorts! This one is Valstrax. So there are different pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. This is the body. Let me put on his wings. How do we know which wings there are? Which are the... Ah! Mali. Is that right? Ayun. Okay, I'm sorry. The tail. Don't forget the tail. This monster's body is very shiny, just like the Kushala one. I remember dying to his ultimate comet move. So this is what Balfark looks like. Super shiny. But when you get to the back, you can see the red like jetpack laser beams that he uses to propel himself into the sky to become a, you know, a shooting star comet thing that hits you and can insta-kill you. Anyway, pretty awesome. Next one. Who's this one? You said it'd be Velkhana. No, it's still not Velkhana. Oh, this one is, I think, Seregios. So there's like his body and his wings and then the stick and the stand. So, okay, I wasn't expecting Seregios to be shiny. So his body is like golden here, which is nice. Seregios' body isn't super shiny in the game, right? So there you go. If you fought against Seregios, you would know this is when he's like doing his like claw attack move on you, like Chujan! Gorgeous. Gorgeous. The third one. Fourth one. The fourth one. Hindi ako marunong magbilang. Oh, there we go. We finally got Velkhana. There you go. There you go. Our flagship monster from Monster Hunter World Iceborne. So I know a lot of people who started playing Monster Hunter with World in Iceborne would be super familiar with Velkhana. Again, it comes in so many pieces. It gets more complicated, So here is the body. So attach the... Whoa. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. I think it's supposed to lock together. So I'm so confused. Am I doing this right? And then the head. Then the tail, the very, very shiny and scary tail. Where's the hole that I put the stick in? Okay, we finally got it, guys. It looks nice. Look at those wings. It's a bit hard to assemble if you don't know the parts. Look at the tail. Grabe, the tail looks so nice. Ganda! Ganda, ganda. There you go. Velkhana, guys. Okay, next one. Ooh! This one is a monster I never fought against because I didn't play Rise that much. Sunbreak, actually. This is Malzeno. This one is kind of similar pose, I think, as the amiibo because I have the amiibo. Okay, so this one feels kind of like all put together in one spot. It looks nice, but I feel like the wings are like covering everything. But like the details are there. There's like a little golden flecks around the body. So there you go. That's Malzeno for you. Okay, who else? We have 3 more to go. This one looks good. This one is the Glavenus. Glavenus was really nice. It's a really nice fight. Super fun. Especially when it gets mad and it starts doing a spinny move with its tail. Yes. Come on. Wow, this looks really nice, guys. This is super good. Look at that. So here's the tail. Look at that blade. Holy crap. Look at the back, the red back of the Glavenus. And that metallic finish really shows off his spikes. Even like the little tips with the green paint. Ganda. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Probably one of my favorites in this box. Okay, we're on our last 2 boxes. Who is this one? Okay, this one is from Rice. Also, this is Magnamalo. Holy crap.
Yeah, the amiibo for that.
I do have the amiibo for this one. Okay, so there's something about the Rise figures that I feel like they're so like stocky. Feels kind of squished together, so I feel like you can't really appreciate the details so well. So the body is pretty matte. There isn't any shiny parts, so nothing really stands out. I feel like they could have done more with this figure. Anyway, last one. Who did we miss? I feel like we're missing... Is it Nergi? We're missing Nergi. Dun, 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 dun. And here he is. Okay, so Nergi Gante comes with a body and 2 wings and a stick. Okay, this Nergi Gante looks pretty big. Okay, here we go again with the parts that I don't know where they're gonna fit. Okay, so I think this one goes here. No, I am wrong. Am I wrong? Am I right? Am I wrong? Am I right? Gago, you cannot make me assemble figures for a living. Get in there! Okay, we finally got his wing in. This one comes with a Y-shaped stick. I don't know why. Maybe you need to just like... Where? What? I don't know how it works, guys. We're gonna do it without the stick. There you go. This is Nergi in all his spiky glory. Look at the wings. But yeah, look at him. Honestly, if he wasn't such a bitch to put together, ganda. There you go. So that's all of them. And that's it. That's all the figures. I think if you ask me, what are my favorites? Probably the Glavenus one, the Narga one, Kushala Daura, obviously Gormagala. So these are my favorites from the 16 figures. There you go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!